Hello, hi, welcome, beautiful ladies, to Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silk Summit Road number 56, Jubilee Hills. Today I'm going to show the beautiful collections of Tassa sarees. Let's have it my look. You can see overall body of the saree is thread work, onion color, very beautiful color, highlighted with beautiful square check shape pattern. The beautiful border is highlighted with scallop with pitai work, very amazing work. Let's see the pallu. Very beautiful running pallu highlighted with beautiful mission fabric work. Beautiful pallu highlighted with mission thread work. Very lovely. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree MB832 and the price of the saree is 16,699. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Pure tussar, lightweight, amazing color, multicolored saree. We can see body of the saree is printed, very beautiful, and they have given the beautiful border with contrast. The pallu is again a contrast, very beautiful, very lightweight. Let me show you the blouse now. Beautiful contrast color blouse, very pretty. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code, that is code of the saree MH720, and the price of the saree 5,899. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010003. Let's have a look of beautiful jewelry, Rasmai jewelry, very beautiful Rasmai fancy jewelry, silver jewelry. As you can see, amazing work. We have two stores located in Hyderabad, that is in Banjara Hills, one it is Jubilee Hills, brand Mando. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Beautiful Kasa saree, very lovely, highlighted with thread work and mirrors. In between the print, peach color saree. The saree is highlighted with mirror work, very beautiful work. If you can see the blouse is contrast color. Let's move on to the beautiful border. We have contrast border, and the pallu of the saree is self with skirt pattern, beautifully cut work, highlighted with mirror. Let's check the lovely blouse. Wow, very beautiful blouse they have given with cut work, highlighted with mirrors. Very pretty. Let's check the present details now. Code of the saree MH724 and the price of the saree 9,499. Let's move on to another lovely Kasa saree. Very beautiful color, multicolored, pure tussar saree highlighted with mirror work in between the saree and with print, beautiful print. Very pretty. They have given the contrast border, as you can see, self. Let's check the pallu. Beautiful cut work running pallu highlighted with mirrors. Let me show you the blouse. Very pretty blouse highlighted with mirror work. Very beautiful and very elegant. To shop this beautiful saree, take a screenshot along with the code, that is Code of the sari MH721 and the price of the sari 9,499. And send it to a WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another amazing sari. We have a very elegant color right now. Beautiful color, multicolored tussar sari. Printed sari, very pretty. They have given the self border, which is amazingly designed. And the pallu is a running pallu again, highlighted with tassels. Very pretty. The beautiful sari has a very pretty blouse, as you can see. Very pretty. To shop this pretty sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002, and a team will assist you. Let's move on to another lovely sari. So lightweight, beautiful mustard color sari, highlighted with peacock booties, multicolored rose color and mustard color combination. And they have given the contrast border, self border, very pretty. And the running pallu, very pretty pallu. Now let's check the blouse. Very simple and elegant blouse, tussar blouse. Let's see the present details now. Code of the sari MH719 and the price of the sari 7,799. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Beautiful color, beautiful tussar sari we have. As you can see, overall body of the sari, we have thread work with multicolor. And we have very beautiful running pattern, very pretty. Let's see the pallu. They have given running pallu with self border. Amazing work, right? Let's check the blouse. This beautiful sari has a very pretty blouse with checks pattern. Very pretty. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the code that is code of the sari MH726 and the price of the sari 15,799. And send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Very pretty color, beautiful pure tussar thread kanta work sari. Threads pattern, very pretty. We have multicolor, self border, very beautiful. And they have given the running pallu with beautiful mango motifs on that, tassels. Very pretty. This beautiful sari has a very beautiful blouse, as you can see, highlighted with floral jar pattern with thread work. Let's see the present details. Code of the sari ME999 and the price of the sari 10,599. Let's move on to another beautiful tussars collection. So lightweight, so elegant tussar sari. Very beautiful. As you can see, the overall body of the sari is in dual shade. Embroidered. The body is beautifully embroidered with thread work, with multicolor. Let's check the pallu. They have given running pallu, very pretty. Beautiful blouse with thread work on it. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the code that is code of the sari MH729 and the price of the sari 13,299 and send it to a WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's see another beautiful saree. Wow, a very lovely saree, very pretty saree. We have multicolored pure tussar saree printed with cadi border, very pretty. Let's see the pallu. Self pallu contrast, beautiful, beautiful pallu. Very beautiful contrast blouse, amazing color combination. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the saree KW841 and the price of the saree 14,699. Before moving to another beautiful saree, we have cash on delivery available all over the Hyderabad and global shipment. Wherever you are living in the part of the world, we are here to deliver you with no time. Let's move on to another beautiful saree. Wow. Lovely tussar saree is multicolored with beautiful thread work highlighted with mirrors. The body is plain, very pretty, very beautiful. As you can see the border is highlighted with kanchi bandhini with mirror work, running pallu with tassels, very pretty. The beautiful saree has a contrast blouse as you can see. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the saree MH728 and the price of the saree 16,199. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Pure tussar lightweight saree. Beautiful body. The body is printed with dual color. And the saree is in purple color, beautiful purple color. The self border. The pallu we have is running pallu in a beautiful purple color. Very pretty running blouse. To shop this beautiful lightweight tussar saree, take a screenshot along with the code that is code of the saree MH722 and the price of the saree 7,799 and send it to a WhatsApp number that is 8900010002. Let's go on to another lovely saree. Another beautiful color combination tussar saree. Very lightweight. The overall body of the saree is highlighted with floral print work. Very beautiful. Brocade. The overall body is highlighted with brocade. They have given beautiful self border. Running pallu with beautiful tassels. Contrast pallu. And lovely contrast blouse we have. Very pretty. Let's see the price and details. Photo of the saree KW840 and the price of the saree 14,699. Before moving on to another beautiful tussar collection, I would love to share you we have video call facility as well. Take a screenshot of your favorite saree from today's collection and send it to our WhatsApp number that is 8900010002 and we will assist you. Let's move on to another beautiful tussar collection. Light green color, very pretty color. Overall body is highlighted with thread work with small leaf booties, very pretty. The border is very beautifully highlighted with thread weaving. And let's check the pallu. Contrast pallu, very beautiful pallu. Let me show you the beautiful blouse. The blouse is highlighted with contrast color. Amazing blouse. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the sari MH712 and the price of the sari 19,699. Let's move on to another pretty sari. Pure tussar lightweight sari. Overall body of the sari is highlighted with thread work and mirror work. Beautiful beige color, very pretty, and they have very beautiful contrast border. Pallu is highlighted with mirror work and cut work, very pretty. The contrast color. Let's check the beautiful blouse now. Beautiful blouse is highlighted with mirror work and cut work. Very, very pretty. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002, along with the details. The details are MH717 and the price is 9,499. Let's move on to another pretty saris. Very elegant, very lightweight, another pure tussar sari. The body of the sari is highlighted with print work, floral jar, contrast border, very pretty border we have, and the contrast pallu. This beautiful sari has a very beautiful, lovely contrast blouse. Very pretty. Let's check the details now. Code of the sari KW823 and the price of the sari 14,699. Let's move on to another beautiful tussar sari. We have very beautiful light color, lightweight green, pistachio green color tussar sari, very pretty. The body is plain and the border of the sari is highlighted with thread weaving work and the mirror work. Very pretty, elegant. They have given beautiful contrast pallu with running. Amazing. Now let's check the blouse. Beautiful blouse with contrast color. Running blouse. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the sari MH725 and the price of the sari 15,899. Let's move on to another pretty sari. Beautiful, very pretty, elegant color we have here. Black color sari. Overall sari is plain. Very beautiful color. Elephant grey color we have. And the sari is highlighted with floral print. Very pretty. Contrast border. Let's see the pallu. Beautiful contrast pallu. And we have very lovely contrast blouse to this elephant grey color sari. Very pretty sari, right? To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the details. That is code of the sari MH718 and the price of the sari 5,299. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another pretty sari. Wow. Beautiful lightweight tussar sari. The body is highlighted beautifully. Very pretty color, multicolored sari. The body of the sari is highlighted with thread work and print design. Very beautiful. The beautiful border has a beautiful red work self border. Let's see the pallu. Silk pallu with beautiful tassels. And lovely running blouse. Very pretty. Let's see the present details. Code of the sari MB839 and the price of the sari 9699. To shop these beautiful saris, we have 4 showrooms all over the South India. That is in Telangana, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Wow, very pretty color. The body of the sari is highlighted with beautiful mirror work. Ocean blue color sari. Very pretty color. The border is highlighted with thread weaving with multicolor, very pretty. Let's see the pallu. We have running pallu, very beautiful pallu. And the blouse is a contrast blouse, very pretty blouse as you can see. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the sari MH713 and the price of the sari 16,099. Let's move on to another pretty sari. Another beautiful, very pretty pure tussar sari, multicolored sari. All over the body we have flower design printed, very beautiful, and self border. The pallu is contrast. The border is also contrast, very beautiful border. This beautiful sari has come up with very lovely blouse as you can see. Very pretty. Let's check the present details. Code of the sari MH716 and the price of the sari 14,699. Let's move on to another beautiful tussar collection. Pretty sari, very beautiful, elegant. The overall body of the sari is highlighted with floral prints with thread work and mirror work. We have kadi pallu with contrast color. We have beautiful kadi border with contrast color. And the pallu is beautifully designed with mirror and cut work. Very pretty. The blouse is very lovely with contrast color, highlighted with cut and mirror work. Very, very beautiful. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the details, that is code of the sari MH714 and the price of the sari 9,499, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Very lovely, beautiful color. Overall body of the sari, we have print work along with pitai work highlighted with thread and mirror work. Very pretty. And we have curry border with contrast color. Contrast pallu with mirror and cut work. This beautiful sari has a very pretty blouse. As you can see, the blouse is also highlighted with mirror and cut work. Now to shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the details. Code of the sari MH723 and the price of the sari 9,499, and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 8900010002. Let's move on this beautiful sari. Pure tussar, very lightweight, elegant saree. Oral body, we have floral thread work. Very elegant. The beautiful border is highlighted with cows with thread work. Running pallu, highlighted with beautiful tassels. The beautiful saree has a very lovely blouse, plain blouse, pure tussar. Very pretty. Now let's check the details. Code of the saree LF536 and the price of the saree 13,100. Let's move to the last saree race collection. We have a beautiful last saree, the tussar collection. Very elegant, very lightweight. So pretty. We have a multicolored saree, beautifully designed with threads with golden and silver fitai work, which has very abstract design, very beautiful self border. The beautiful pallu we have is a running pallu, beautiful small highlighted with tassel. Let's check the blouse. Wow, very pretty blouse with pitai work, very beautiful. To shop this beautiful tussar saree, take a screenshot and send it to a WhatsApp number that is 8900010002 along with the details that is MH727. The price of the saree 20,950. That is for today. I have shown you a beautiful collection of tussar sarees. Again, I'll come up with a very pretty collection of the sarees. Till then, namaste.
హాయ్ అండి, నమస్కారం. వరమహాలక్ష్మిలో గత 2 years నుంచి చూస్తున్నాము. ఫస్ట్ టైం మేము షాపింగ్ చేసింది సికింద్రాబాద్లో. తర్వాత ఇంకా మా చుట్టాలు వాళ్ళందరూ బాగున్నాయి శారీస్ అని చెప్పి అన్నారు. తర్వాత ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము. ఇప్పుడు మా చుట్టాల వాళ్ళు కూడా మళ్ళీ వెడ్డింగ్కే తీసుకున్నాము. పట్టు శారీస్ అయితే చాలా బాగుంటాయి ఇక్కడ. క్వాలిటీ వైజ్గా కానీ చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ప్రైస్లో కూడా ఓకే, చాలా బాగుంటుంది.